So I think it's very important for everyone to understand why this vaccine has 2 doses. And that's because when we take the first dose, it's the dose which is known as the prime dose. It primes your immune system to really build antibodies. And if you take the first dose, you will get some antibodies, but they will not last for a long time and will gradually wane with time. If you take the second dose, which is known as a booster dose, it really boosts your immune system to produce a large amount of antibodies. It gives you good cell-mediated immunity, which is another defense mechanism against the infection. It also stimulates what we call your memory cells, so that the body remembers this infection for the long term and is able to quickly produce antibodies later on also if you get this infection. Therefore, 2 doses is essential if you really want to get good protection against COVID-19.
ये डबल म्यूटेंट पीसीआर पॉजिटिव के बाद सीक्वेंस किया गया था, तो जो टेस्ट पीसीआर में पॉजिटिव था उसी को हम सीक्वेंस करते हैं, तो इसलिए कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है कि ये म्यूटेंट पीसीआर में ना पकड़ा जाता हो, नहीं तो हम इसे सीक्वेंस ही नहीं करते। नंबर 2, दुनिया के जितने पॉसिबल सीक्वेंसेस हैं उनको हम रेगुलरली चेक करते रहते हैं और अभी तक ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो डबल जीन टेस्ट को एस्केप कर दे। लोगों को ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि पीसीआर की अपनी सेंसिटिविटी सिर्फ 70% होती है। पीसीआर में जो वायरस का लोड होता है मुंह में, नाक में, वो मैक्सिमम होता है सिम्टम के 1 दिन पहले और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे गिरता जाता है। अगर लोग लेट पहुंचेंगे 7वें दिन, 8वें दिन जब सिम्टम्स बढ़ चुके हैं, तो ये कई बार होगा कि पीसीआर टेस्ट उस वक्त तक नेगेटिव हो चुका हो लेकिन सीटी पे आ रहा हो। ये नए कोई वायरस का स्ट्रेन नहीं है, शुरू से ऐसा ही था। जब लोग लेट पहुंचते थे तो पीसीआर कई बार नेगेटिव नाक और मुंह में हो चुका होता था, क्योंकि वायरस उस वक्त तक बॉडी में थोड़ा डीपर हुआ करता था। और ऑफ कोर्स वी शुड फोकस थोड़ा बहुत तक किट्स वगैरह के क्वालिटी, ये सब चीज़ों को देखना होगा। लेकिन लोग जो घबरा रहे हैं वो मोस्टली इसलिए है क्योंकि लोग आजकल लेट पहुंचते हैं, हर आदमी को जल्दी बाहर निकलने में घबराहट होती है और थोड़े हद तक फंडामेंटली पीसीआर की सेंसिटिविटी कभी भी 70-80% के ऊपर नहीं रही। When you take all patients coming at all different stages, there is nothing new. It is not because of a mutant strain of the virus.
We are having surge, we are having high severity somewhere, we are having high mortality somewhere. But whether it is directly correlated to the mutants which we are observing, it needs to be clearly defined in a statistically valid manner. If we just have a casual correlation of the number of samples sequenced at one lab and then trying to see the surge in that particular district or that particular state may not be the right thing. It is not the mutant alone which can contribute to the surge. Our laxity in COVID appropriate behavior, our laxity in many other measures which are being planned has contributed to a significant level. This mutant could be a very, very small part of it.
That the first such sequence was part of a database back in October. But in October, with declining cases, no knowledge about this particular mutation being important, nobody except, I'll use a Hindi word here, an antaryami person, could have possibly thought this was important. So, outbreaks started in India, starting in December, January in the states of Kerala, Maharashtra. We paid particular importance to these 2 states and we started looking for mutations in these areas. Kerala had the most severe outbreak at that point in time, and this mutation was absolutely not seen in Kerala. So this was not correlated with the clinical outbreaks over there. In Maharashtra, the first report that you will see in India of sequences starting to show this will come from BJMC and a few, where a few number of samples were sequenced. But those were not representative. Around the same time, this mutation turned out to be important in papers coming out of California, where they tied in with outbreaks. At that point, you have an outbreak, you have mutations available in sequences, and you have a reason to correlate them together. We are exactly making the same judgments today. Today, we can see that many doctors are having breakthroughs. We are correlating that. All these are things that are actually happening in India as well. But before, when something becomes of great interest to the media, everybody wants real-time updates. But it takes time to be very sure that what is the percentage of vaccinated doctors that are being infected. So we can see that most doctors who are having breakthrough vaccinations tend to have some kind of an escape variant or the other, not the normal strain, which is a good sign for the quality of our vaccination program. And most of them are having mild illnesses. It is just that, it has become a very hot media topic, this particular strain. And especially in India, this is not the only variant. In North India, Punjab does not have it. Kerala does not have it. They also had outbreaks. So it is not a single simple story.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.